Good morning, my dear students of class 6th, and I welcome you all to this new class after the English and other subjects online assessments. I hope you people have done fairly well and you people have prepared very nicely for the exams. But now it is time to again study very hard since the classes have resumed back to online teaching. Let us quickly start with the new chapter for this week. Now, the new chapter which I have picked is generally after your assignments, where you have come to analyze, where you have come to know your worth, where you are standing, how much preparation you did, in which areas you were lacking. It is not that every child is lacking into one thing, and every child is extremely good into one thing. So, children, this is the time to analyze our worth, our weaknesses, work over them, and come back with new enthusiasm and new efforts, right? So, the chapter is Who I Am. Now, children, since this chapter only indicates that who I am means who are actually myself, about who I am actually as a person, who I am. Do I know myself? Everybody should ask this question to themselves, who I am. Can you speak 10 good lines about yourself? Think. It is a big and a very deep question, children, indeed. So, from the book Honeysuckle, this is lesson 6, which is Who I Am. And this chapter was very much important to be started in this time, where now we know we have given one set of online examination, where now we know which areas are we lacking and which areas we have a very good command, we have a very good control of ourselves. So, without further ado, children, let's start with the chapter which says Who I Am. Children, let me brief what the chapter has to tell you. Children, in this chapter, what we are going to see that the lesson speaks about diversity. Diversity is differences. What different qualities we get to see everywhere around us. So, the chapter tells us that everyone in this world has something special in them or her. Everyone in this world has something special in him or her. So, there is no person in this world who is having no quality. So, we get to have that diversity everywhere. We have musicians, we have doctors, we have engineers, we have singers, then we have social workers, even menial staff, even those municipal workers are doing their job. So that is their quality. Not everyone can go and clean the roads. Not everyone can go and just take us into a clean environment. So everyone in this world is born with one or other uniqueness. So we get to see diversity of different qualities around us. Then, children, everyone is unique in their own way. For me, something is unique. For you, something is unique. For another one, something is unique. Isn't it, children? There, in this chapter, there are 6 different people whose uniqueness has been shared in this lesson. So, in this chapter, we will study about 6 different people who are unique in their own way, in different ways, children. All right? So, let us begin with the chapter with the first person. In total 6 people, let us quickly see what the first person is all about. I am going to read the paragraph for you and you are going to listen to it. So, Radha, part 1, many voices, Radha. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but One afternoon, she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. Now, children, as such, the English is very simple. In this paragraph, we will see the difficult words. Favorite, something which is most liked, dearest. Climbing, going up on the tree, then spread out to open something over a large area, something which is spreading over a large area. Then, children, comfortably, in a very relaxed, soothing manner, very comfortable, very relaxed. Okay. Then, children, sensible. Sensible is responsible. Then, in the fork, you all eat noodles with a fork. Those two pointers are attached with one common, the common point. So, where a branch of the tree splits into two. This is the main branch and it's simply splits into two. The fork has one main length and then it has two pointed extreme openings. So, the split of the branch. So, these are the difficult words in this paragraph. Now, let us see what this paragraph has to tell us. In this paragraph, Radha is sharing her liking and daring acts. So, Radha is telling how much she likes to climb the tree. And what else she is sharing? She is sharing her daring part to climb over tree. Everybody will not be very easily climbing the tree in this manner. Then, Radha relates that her choicest thing that was to climb trees. Then what Radha shares? In this, Radha shares that it is her dearest desire to climb trees. Then, children, and the tree, that mango tree is outside her house. Then she loves to climb the trees. Its branches cover a large area. And because the branches are spread everywhere, it is easy for her to climb and sit over there. Then she also climbed with her and two were, she also climbed there with her mother because her mother used to stop her from climbing trees. And what advice she gives? The mother says it is not good for girls to climb. But one day in one afternoon, children, Radha, called her mother also to climb tree. And then these two, mother and daughter, they climbed the tree together. They sat there over the branches and they were talking in a relaxing mood. Radha said that climbing trees made her feel very, very good, special, and she feels that she can rule the world. So, this was the Radha's description. So, climbing over a tree makes Radha feel that she can rule the world. So, children, that's all for today's class. In the next class, again, we will cover 3 different personalities. Alright? So, for that, you need to read the chapter very well, see the difficult words, learn them, and I will see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.